Hey there, I'm Chris Williams, and we're on site at one of our projects in Pittsburg, Atlanta. As you can see behind me, there's new siding up. We did the hardy plank siding. Our contractors finished the installation of it about Friday of last week. Now we're waiting on them to paint and then also install the gutters. We've also got the roof taken care of. We've done some repair work to the decking. Most of the wood was still good, but we had a few rough areas where tenants had dogs and pets and animals that damaged the decking. So eventually, once the wood cures, we're going to go ahead and paint the deck. We also need to do a lot of interior work. Our drywall guys in there working today, but we also need to do some paint. We've got to get in there and do the floors and the cabinetry. We've got most of it sitting literally in my living room waiting to actually be moved over to this property. We don't want to put it on site because it could walk away, and that's one of the big things that happens when you're doing renovations in a revitalizing area. So there's going to be more videos with updates on the progress. We're moving quickly. We think that we'll be able to have it on the market in the next few weeks. So keep watching our social media for more updates if you want to see this house come together. I'm Chris Williams, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.